Hi there, welcome back to the channel. It's the Vegan Food Scientist. This is the best vegan French onion soup, or soupe de l'oignon gratiné. Let's get into it. First, weigh out your onion. I do about 1,200 to 1,400 grams of onions in total, which about 1,000 of that is white onions, 300 grams of red onions. Go ahead and peel those and cut them in half, and then slice them in half again, leaving the stem on, and chop them finely. Have a large stock pot on medium heat. Add olive oil and vegetable oil until about 325 degrees. Then add your onions at once. Add salt. Add your bay leaf, thyme, and rosemary. Cook on low for 1 hour with the lid on. After approximately 1 hour, you will have this beautiful reduced onion. Next, you'll be making a roux. Add flour and put the pot on medium-high. Stir until all the flour is mixed, and then add red wine. This will add a depth of flavor to your vegan French onion soup. Stir well. Next, add nutritional yeast flakes and water. Add mushroom stock and mix. Bring the pot to a simmer over medium-low. At this point, discard all of your thyme and bay leaf sticks and stems. They are inedible and no one wants that. For even more flavor, add dark soy sauce glaze and dark soy sauce. The last stage will be adding your liquor. Cook the liquor off for at least 30 minutes on low so that there's no alcohol content and only the deep flavor. Taste check, check taste. Check the pepper, check the salt, check the acid, check what you need before you put it in the bowl. Now on to our toast. Preheat an oven to 400 degrees or on broiler setting. Slice the sourdough bread into 1-inch planks. Put them on the baking sheet. Check it with some olive oil and chili. Take it out of the oven. It should look something like this, nice and toasty. Now add our vegan mozzarella and slice it back into the oven until lightly toasty. Be very careful not to burn your cheese toast. It is a war in there between the broiler of heat and the cheese melting. Great, now take your bowl, fill it up with the onion soup mix. Take your cheese topper and put it on top of your soup. Pat yourself on the back because this is the best vegan French onion soup recipe and you have just made it. By the way, try not to burn your friggin' sourdough bread like I did. Alright guys, you take care, have a great day, and keep it vegan, y'all. You want more videos? You want more recipes? You want to be inspired? Check out my webpage, check out my YouTube, and listen up, yo. Oh yeah, subscribe for more. That's it.